Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this lesson, we will add more pages to OracleFlix Project. This lesson is related to lessons 7 and 8, so make sure you finish them before doing this. Click Application Builder or the Applications in Dashboard. Click OracleFlix Project. Click Create Page. Click Report. Click Interactive Report. Name it View All Rentals. Click Next. Select Create a new navigation menu entry so we can add this page in our existing app. Click Customers so it will be under it. Click Next. For table, select Rental History. All columns are automatically selected. Take note of this, link to single row view. We will go back to there later. Click Next. Click Create. We are now looking at the page designer. This is where you can change many things for your page. For now, click Save and run on top right corner of your screen. Log in if you have to. Notice that it is under the Customers link. See the pencil on the left of every row? You can click it to view a single row at a time. Let's go back to the page designer and click Attributes. Link column is currently linked to single row view. Change it to exclude link column. Click Save and run. Try again. The pencils are gone. Go back to page designer and change it back to link to single row view. This time, change also the link icon using the quick pick to magnifying glass. Click Save and run. Try again. Well done. Next, let's add a form to add a rental transaction. Go back to Apex and click your application ID on the upper left of your screen. Click Create Page. Click Form. This time, select Form on a table or view. Select Rental History Table. Click Next. Name it Add the Rental. Click Next. Select Create a new navigation menu entry. Click Customers. Click Next. Shows managed by database. This means you will enter all values. Click Next. All columns are automatically selected, so just click Next. You may change button labels like Cancel and Create. For now, just click Next. On Submit, let's go to our View All Rentals page. On Cancel, let's go to Home. Click Next. Click Create. Click Save and run page. Set media ID to 95. Date to today. Customer ID to 105. And return date to tomorrow. Click Create. After it was added, we were brought to our View All Rental report. Click Add Rental again. This time click Cancel. We are back in Home. In our next lesson, we will alter the navigation and theme style of the project. Thank you for your interest in this channel. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for your notification on new videos.